Welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we'll be discussing Hygrophila Angustifolia, a graceful and fast-growing aquatic plant that is a favorite among aquascapers and aquarium hobbyists, known for its long, slender leaves and ability to thrive in various tank conditions. Hygrophila Angustifolia belongs to the Hygrophila genus, which is widespread in tropical and subtropical regions. This particular species is native to Southeast Asia, predominantly found in countries like Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia. In the wild, Hygrophila Angustifolia grows along the banks of rivers, streams, and lakes where it thrives in both submerged and immersed conditions. The name Angustifolia comes from Latin, with Augustus meaning narrow and folium meaning leaf, which perfectly describes its long and slender leaves. Despite its lesser known status compared to other Hygrophila species like water wisteria, Hygrophila Angustifolia has gained popularity in the aquarium hobby for its elegant appearance and hardiness. Hygrophila Angustifolia is known for its narrow, elongated leaves that grow up to 8 inches in length. The leaves are light to medium green and have a delicate, flowing appearance, adding movement and texture to aquascapes. The stems of the plant are long and upright, with each stem producing a whorl of 4 to 6 leaves. As the plant grows taller, the lower leaves may shed, leaving bare stems, which can be trimmed to promote denser growth. This plant is considered a fast grower, especially in optimum conditions, and can reach heights of 12 to 20 inches. It typically is used in background planting in aquariums, but with regular trimming it can also be maintained in a mid-ground. The plant's ability to grow both immersed and submerged gives aquascapers a lot of flexibility in its use, and it can even produce small blue flowers when grown immersed. Hygrophila Angustifolia is a versatile and hardy plant, and making it suitable for a wide range of tank setups, from low-tech to high-tech aquariums. The plant thrives in medium to high light conditions. Under stronger light, it will grow faster and develop more vibrant, healthier leaves. In low light environments, it can still survive, but may grow more slowly and become leggy as it reaches for light. Hygrophila Angustifolia prefers tropical water conditions with temperature range of 72 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees. It can tolerate a wide range of pHs, from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline, with a pH of 6.0 to 7.5 being ideal. It's not particularly demanding when it comes to substrate, but a nutrient-rich substrate will support more vigorous growth. It can absorb nutrients from the water column, so adding liquid fertilizers or root tabs will help maintain its lush appearance. Because of its fast growth, regular pruning and maintenance are necessary to keep it in check and prevent it from overshadowing smaller plants. Hygrophila Angustifolia is a great companion for a wide range of aquarium plants due to its versatility and height. It works well in both planted tanks and community aquariums, providing shelter and hiding places for fish and invertebrates. Here are some ideal companion plants: Rotala rotundifolia, cryptocoryne species, Java fern, and Anubias species. Since Hygrophila Angustifolia grows tall and fast, it's often best placed in the background of a tank, where it can create a natural-looking, dense curtain of greenery. Hygrophila Angustifolia is an excellent plant for aquascaping due to its ease of care and ability to create a lush and natural background. As a fast-growing plant, it helps absorb excess nutrients from the water, reducing the risk of algae outbreaks and improving overall water quality. The dense foliage provides shelter for fish, shrimp, and other aquatic inhabitants, making it ideal for community tanks or aquariums with timid species. And like all plants, it helps oxygenate the water during the day through photosynthesis, contributing to a healthier environment for fish and other organisms. That wraps up our look at Hygrophila Angustifolia, a fast-growing and resilient aquatic plant, perfect for both beginner and advanced aquascapers. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this deep dive into aquatic plants, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more plant profiles and aquascaping tips.